Hi friends, I'm Miss Tamara and today we're going to learn how to make these pom-pom shooters. Okay, so I have all of my supplies here. I need 2 toilet paper rolls, 2 rubber bands, a pair of scissors, a pair of hole punchers, a ball. You can use a cotton ball. We've got these little pom-poms here. And I'm also going to use duct tape to reinforce my toilet paper rolls. Okay, so I've already taken this one and cut it in half down the middle so that it'll make my rounded shape. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is take my duct tape and tape these little pieces together so that it fits in here. And this is what's going to make the pom-pom shoot farther. Okay? And this is the way I'm doing it because it works for me. If something works for you better, then by all means go for it. So I'm going to stick that in there. I'm going to turn it this way. And I'm going to stick this in here. Okay. So now you see I have a smaller tube that will fit into my bigger tube. Alright, so the next thing I need to do is take my intact toilet paper roll and I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut 2 slits, not too far down, just far enough for you to get your first rubber band in there, like so. See? Now I've got something to pull. Alright, so you might be wondering, Miss Tamara, how are you going to make the inner piece launch? Well, that is where our hole punchers come in. So you're just going to take your hole punch and you're just going to do a little hole on both sides, and this is where it gets a little hard because you got to try to get them opposite from each other. Okay, so there my hole punchers are, my hole punch is. So I'm going to take my pencil and I'm going to put it straight through. Okay, so now you see I've got something to hold on to pull this. So now when I put my rubber band here, I can pull it all the way back and I can put this in here, loop it around this guy like so, and now when I pull, see? Now, you can notice that these are already kind of folding in a little bit. We don't want that to happen because we want our pom-pom launcher to be really strong. So I'm going to take another piece of duct tape. Tear it. And I'm going to tear it down the middle. And now I'm just going to use this to wrap around the top just to hold that in place. And it also makes it pretty. Okay, and there is the construction of my pom-pom shooter. So now let's see if it works. So I'm going to put it in and I'm going to pull this back and let it go. Woo! And that's how you make a quick and easy pom-pom shooter. If you make one of your own, please be sure to send us pictures. See you next week!